God has given his ministry advert. Every living ministry has advert, free advert. What you say about me is an advert to me. If you live here today, tomorrow you now go to the town and say, that man is devil, it's not a man of God, you are advertising me. Or tomorrow you just live here and say, that church, don't go there, they used to tie people down. You know, it's a bad church. You are indirectly advertising me. Because the people you are telling will want to confirm whether truly they tie people down. By the time they now come and find out that the people are not tied down, they become member. I've been using this advert for many years. People don't know. This is why I did not have side post. No board. You cannot see any side post outside. This is advert God has given me for the past 30 years. God said, don't have any side post, signboard. People will advertise your ministry to the world. Free of charge. So you two live the truth. Let people advertise you. Don't fight. Whatever people say about you, if truly you are genuine, whether they condemn you or they spoil your name, they praise you, they are for your good. Why the synagogue only Ikotuegbe and is known all over the world? Here, Ikotuegbe, just a narrow road that linked to the church and known all over the world. Thank you for your advice.